Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find a line parallel to another line in standard form and through a point. So say you're given the equation in standard form as follows. 12x plus 6y equals 30. And then you have to make the line correspond with the point 3, 18. So what we need to do is take this equation right here, 12x plus 6y equals 30, and put it in slope-intercept form, which is written as follows. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's do that. 12x plus 6y equals 30. What we are going to do is isolate the 6y as it was in y equals mx plus b. So let's subtract 12x so that the 6y is on its own. Subtract 12x, subtract 12x. We solve 12x minus 12x is nothing. And then we have 6y equals negative 12x plus 30. As we had written it earlier, y equals mx plus b. The y was singular as 1, but here we have 6y, so we need to divide everything in the equation 6y equals negative 12x plus 30. We have to divide all that by 6 so that the y is singular. So let's do that. 6y equals negative 12x plus 30. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. Y equals negative 2x plus 5. 6 divided by 6 is 1, negative 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now we just went from standard form to slope-intercept form, and we did that because we have to put it in the point 3, 18 like we had earlier. Otherwise, going from standard form, we couldn't put it in the point, so we had to convert it into slope-intercept form so that it would work through the point. So now what we have to do is substitute where this x, because 3 is x and then 18 is y. So where x is right here and y is right here, we have to substitute 3 and 18. So let's do that. Y equals negative 2x plus 5, and then we had that coordinate 3, 18. So 18 is y equals negative 2 times 3, which is x, plus b. I am writing plus b because the equation that we are going to find corresponds with the point, and so the slope will stay the same, but the y-intercept will change. So 18 equals negative 6 plus b. Now we have to isolate b so that we can solve what it is, so we have to add 6 so that the b is on its own. So 18 plus 6 is 24, negative 6 plus 6 is nothing, and then equals b. So our final answer is y equals negative 2x plus 24. So today we just went from standard form with the equation 12x plus 6y equals 30. We made it into slope-intercept form, y equals negative 2x plus 5, so that we could put it through the coordinate 3, 18. And then what we did was we solved for the y-intercept that needed to be so that it was corresponding with the coordinate. So the final answer is y equals negative 2x plus 24. And that is how you find a line parallel to another line in standard form and through a point.